Hello guys, welcome back to Tina. If you guys watched our last video, you guys must know I have new toys to test. Yes! This is the one, the Michelin High-Speed Tire Inflator. Okay, now let's unbox this baby. Ooh. Oh, so inside, after you take it out, it just comes with this pump and a user manual. So beside this, at bottom here, it actually comes with few accessories. Yep. So this one is for you to inflate your air mattress, and this one is for you to pump all the balls like basketball and footballs. This one, I don't know. Okay, according to the box, it comes with a 12-volt DC power cord and it has 10 feet long, which is this one. 10 feet long. This one. And beside that, it also comes with an inflator and deflator for air mattress and rough. And the hose is about 52 cm, which is this one. 52 cm. And it also comes with a 183 cm hose, which is this one. Wow, I think it's enough for you to drag around the whole car. So this is the whole thing looks like. It also comes with a torchlight, and also bottom here, this is for you to inflate and to deflate your air mattress with this hose that just now I showed. Okay, now let's test this machine. Okay guys, now let's put this machine into a test. First off, we're going to deflate flat this tire first. We're going to deflate this tire and see how long does it take to pump it to full back. As you guys can see, the tire is already fully flat. Now let's pump it back. Okay, this is how you use the device. First, take out this, what do you call it, Thomas? Connector, well, the socket, yes, power socket. Power socket, this one, and plug it into your car cigarette spot or yes, cigarette port.
Mostly
yeah.
Power supply port.
Power supply port. To be safe, start your car first because it's going to use the power of your battery. So to be safe, just start your car while you're using this. Okay, this is how you use this. First, you need to have a long press over here. Then set the pressure that you want. So I'm setting at 30, then press enter. And now let's see how long it will take to fully pump this tire up. Okay, it's 0 now. Thomas, ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! So guys, it just takes around 4 minutes. 4 minutes to fully pump back the tire. Okay, so now let's recap. First, you need to long press this one. Come here, camera. Long press this one. See? Now you can set the pressure that you are desired to. Then press enter. Then push this up to the second one. Then it will start to inflate your tire. Second thing, this button, I think I don't need to explain much, is for your torchlight. Ding! You got torchlight mode. This one is emergency mode and stop. And that's all for today. Do remember to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.